everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Kalia, filling in for Dadrian. Vybz Kartel excited ahead of his highly anticipated return to Reggae Sumfest. This evening, the God is the Greatest DJ will mark his return to the Reggae Sumfest stage after a 14-year hiatus. Speaking with E-Prime ahead of his set, the DJ shared that he is eager to return to the stage.
I mean, the only emotion that's running through my mind right now is anxiety, anticipation. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel wants to attack that stage. The people waiting on it. The energy is right. The atmosphere is right.
His return to the stage will also see him being crowned King of Dancehall by the Queen of Dancehall herself, Spice. Molly shakes Catherine Hall to the max, and Notorious Sounds claims yet another victory at Reggae Sumfest's Sound Clash. Catherine Hall came alive Thursday night for the first ever Reggae Sumfest Global Fete, the newest addition to the festival's pre-event lineup. Headlining the event was Ghanaian sensation Molly, who made her highly anticipated Jamaican debut. Speaking with E-Prime, the Shake It to the Max hitmaker shared her excitement.
I had a great time. I had these amazing two buddies with me on stage. We shook it to the max, and we did our thing. I'm just excited to be here,
Now, Molly wasn't the only face. Young Brother also took to the stage for the first time and couldn't hide his excitement.
It's a pleasure, it's a great opportunity, and seeing the people really support me and they was excited, I feel good.
And it wasn't just the artists feeling the global fete energy. DJs were equally hyped to join the experience.
When I got the opportunity to play at Sumfest, it felt like very unreal. It was a very surreal moment because obviously, I'm a newcomer in the industry and I recently moved home from Canada, so I'm very grateful to be a part of this experience.
Familiar faces also returned, including Marcy Chin, who saw this performance as a comeback moment after last year's misstep.
I feel like this is a redemption for me because I've missed my stage time last year on the main night, and I came to redeem myself on the party night.
And to top it off, it was war in the dance hall arena. Little Shaba of Notorious Sounds took down Tony Matterhorn in a fiery sound clash, claiming a second straight win for the sound system crew. UK actor Terence Wallen excited to channel Gregory Isaacs at Reggae Sumfest. This year, Reggae Sumfest is turning up the respect, paying tribute to some of the culture's biggest legends on night 2 of the festival. Making his Sumfest debut is UK actor Terence Wallen, who will live out a lifelong dream honoring his idol, Gregory Isaacs. Speaking with E-Prime, Wallen spoke to making a full circle after playing the legendary crooner in the UK stage production, The Cool Ruler, the musical, just last month.
I played Gregory Isaacs in the musical in the UK. So we just finished a long run, a very successful run, and that was a Bagger John production, and it's been an amazing story of Gregory Isaacs' life story. And that came about by the producers and the scriptwriters coming together and deciding to do it with June Isaacs, with Gregory Isaacs Foundation, and then looking for the perfect Gregory, and it just so happens to be myself, and here I am.
And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Kalia. Thank you for watching.